If your Chevy Tahoe keeps launching Apple CarPlay every time you start the engine, here is how you can regain control. Data shows that most of these connectivity glitches are actually software handshake errors between the phone and the head unit. Let us break down the steps to isolate whether the problem is in your settings or your physical cable. Start by clearing the connection entirely and giving the MyLink system a fresh reboot to clear out cached data. Check your physical cable next, as a frayed wire or a loose connection often triggers an involuntary relaunch of the interface. If the hardware is fine, look at your iPhone software settings, specifically the screen time restrictions that might be forcing a connection. Most users solve this at home, but if the issue persists after a master reset, you may have a failing HMI module. As you can see, the vast majority of connectivity issues are resolved with a simple cable swap or a software update. If you still struggle, try pairing a different device to see if the problem follows your phone or stays with the vehicle. Keep these items in your glove box to handle minor connection issues on the road without needing a technician. Always prioritize the simplest fix first before assuming a complex electrical failure in your Tahoe. If this guide helped you fix your connection, hit subscribe and check the manual for more infotainment tips.